Safe sleeping guidelines for infants. Experts recommend that infants sleep in the same room as their parents, but in a separate bed. Co-sleeping can increase the risk of sudden infant death syndrome. The American Academy of Pediatrics advises that infants sleep in their parents' bedrooms, but in a separate crib, for at least the first 6 months. Co-sleeping has some drawbacks, but it keeps your child in close proximity. Sleeping in the same room can decrease SIDS risk by 50% in infants up to 1 year. It is imperative that the baby sleep in a different bed than the mother, even while sleeping in the same room. Babies require a bed specially designed for them. Their sleeping space must never have soft bedding or objects that can cause blockage to their airway. The highest risk of death by SIDS occurs in infants under 6 months old. The unifying thread in these shocking deaths is that they usually occur during sleep. To reduce the risk of sleep-related deaths in infants, the baby should be put on his back while sleeping with no hazards to prevent obstruction of the airway. The baby should be put to sleep in a flat surface with tight sheets, like a crib or a bassinet. Portable cribs and playpens with a tight-fitting mattress and tight-fitting sheet are acceptable as well. You can offer a pacifier at sleep time after breastfeeding. While shopping for your baby, remember this critical rule: not everything that is sold in the market is safe for babies, and not everything that is marketed is true. Use the magic link in the first comment to get the best products for your baby.